In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up two-player split screen on Call of Duty MW3. First, you will need to connect an additional controller. So plug in two compatible controllers, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller to your console. Usually, if you are doing this process on a console, when you connect a controller for the first time, you will see this pop up where you have to assign a user account to that specific controller. And this is very important. If the controller is not set up properly with a user account, which can also be a guest account, you will not be allowed to do split screen in various game modes. So double check this, make sure that you have selected a user account, and once this is done, launch Call of Duty MW3 from your console's main menu. If you look at the top right corner of the screen, usually you will find the message add a controller for split screen. However, if you have properly connected the controller and you assign the user account, this message is going to change to something like press this button to start split screen. And all that you have to do now is press the respective button. Immediately upon pressing that respective button, your friend is going to join with you in a lobby, and now you will be able to choose from any of the modes. You can choose a multiplayer mode that supports split screen play, for example TDM, Domination, Search and Destroy, Q Confirmed, and more, or you can create a local match if you just want to do a 1v1. You will be able to set everything up, change your loadouts, join into any map, any game mode, and you will be able to play Call of Duty MW3 on any console split screen. Keep in mind that if you are trying to do this process on PC, there might be limitations, but on console, this should work flawlessly, and you will be able to do split screen on any of these main game modes. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.